be day, but time won't. Good morning to the respected chairperson, respected vice chairperson, respected honorable chief guest, and all the ladies and gentlemen present in front of me on the special occasion of 31st Greenland High School Parents' Day. It's my pleasure to be speaking in front of you all. It's me, Isan Itani from class 8A in front of you all to give a short speech on the topic importance of time. What is time? Time is the continuous duration which never stops. It is the non-spatial continuum which cannot be controlled nor be regained. It is the most important thing in the human life. It is important for everyone, from small animals to the successful humans. It is the most powerful thing which makes us follow the rules of nature. It cannot be controlled. It is very powerful, even that nature fails against the will of time. Without time, no one can exist. Everything flows in the way of time. Without the will of time, even we can't exist. It is not the will of human to exist, but the will of time. It is important to understand the importance of time in our life, as even 1 second of your life can change your whole life. It is very, very important and has importance in our life. It can't be changed and flows in only one direction, just like the flow of water. The flow of water and the river and the time at the same time is like same. It can't be diverted without its own will. It diverges at its own pace, but we should not try even to touch the time. It is the non-spatial continuum that should not be used for our will. Now, we should use the time correctly, as if you waste time tomorrow time will waste you. So be careful while using time, as even 1 second counts in your life, and be useful and thankful to the time. Thank you.